All right, in this video, we're going to learn some trigonometry. First of all, you have to know the famous Indian chief, which was SohCahToa. Sine is opposite over the hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over the hypotenuse. And tangent is opposite over the adjacent. SohCahToa. So tangent is opposite over the adjacent. So when you do these, they want to know what the tangent of Z is. So here's where my eyeball is, and I'm looking out. So this is the angle I'm talking about. Straight across from that angle is opposite. Here's my right angle, and straight across from the right angle would be my hypotenuse. And so then that leaves just a on this one. So tangent is going to be the opposite, so 24, over the adjacent, which is 32. So 24 over 32 is my tangent. Let's do one more. Let's go do the tangent of A. So here's A. So this is the angle I'm talking about. Straight across from that is opposite. Here's my right angle. Straight across from that is my hypotenuse. So that means this is my adjacent. So tangent of A is going to be opposite, which is 32, over the adjacent, which is 24.